Product name Neosmuk Magnetic Hooks, 27 lb plus heavy-duty earth magnets with hook for refrigerator, extra strong cruise hook for hanging, magnetic hanger for cabins, grill. The Magnetic Maximum Neodymium Corrosion Protection is a set of 10 neodymium magnets that are designed to be used in a variety of applications. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The magnets are made of high-quality neodymium, which is a strong and durable material. The magnets are coated with a layer of corrosion-resistant material, which helps to protect them from rust and other forms of corrosion. The magnets are very strong and can be used to hold a variety of objects in place. Negatives. The magnets are relatively small, so they may not be suitable for larger applications. Overall, the Magnetic Maximum Neodymium Corrosion Protection is a great choice for those who need a set of strong and durable magnets that are resistant to corrosion. Price, $7.80.